Let's go camping.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day? I don't know where you are.
Alright, so we're along the highway and all of a sudden, bam! At the beach. You. Yeah. Here at the beach. How you doing? Look how good this is. Got the cruiser. So the plan is we're gonna get some camp, wait for that sun to go down over that West Australian coast, and cook a few snacks. This is the life. Land cruiser. Yeah. Little hat on here, sunnies. Found camp. This is where we're gonna camp for the night. Nice little spot on top of a dune. So we'll just unpack, set up, and we'll be rolling.
Unknown Brain, Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming, it's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.